Hello TLJ Garage. So we have good news and bad news for you guys. What is it, buddy?
Starting with the good news, we just sold the STI, so we finally have some money to play with. I had it for sale for a couple weeks, it's gone now, so we're going to be replacing it with a new car for TLJ Garage. And here's the bill of sale to prove to you guys I actually did sell. I don't want you to see the price.
Can I do the bad news?
Yeah, you can do the bad news.
Bad news is we have 36 hours to complete this build.
So you guys, we are hopping into the minivan right now. We're wearing our smoke jackets so we don't get pulled over. And we're taking the minivan there to pick up all the parts for the vehicle. We're going to hopefully drive the vehicle back. We have to install a bunch of the parts that are already there. I don't think it's going to be legal, but we will find out. So most of you guys that know me, you will know that my Subaru is my daily driver, which means that I have to replace it with something that is a daily driver, which means that we will have a lot of work to do. So we're loading up right now. We're going to drive down there about an hour, pick up the vehicle, and hopefully bring it back. So stay tuned.
All right, buddy, let's hit the road. So we are currently on our way. We have an hour-long road trip. We're gonna go check it out. The car that we will be revealing to you guys does not drive at the moment. It has quite a bit of work to do because it was wrecked. So we will be doing a rebuild series on that.
It hit a tree.
It hit a tree. So we're gonna be doing a rebuild series on that. And we have to get the car up and running, get the new body parts on, so he is able to have a daily driver, because this is our loaner car and it's a minivan right now, so we shouldn't be driving this too much longer than more than 3 hours.
More than that.
Well, guys,
so we're driving right now with no windshield. This is our 2014 Tacoma, and we are just kind of testing it out. We want to show you guys the ropes. We want to see what we're buying, and we're gonna have a great time now.
you know, I kind of like cars without windshields better. Dude, we should go up that big hill.
He said no.
Oh, he didn't? Some people might call TLJ stupid, but I think we are geniuses and we're gonna get rich off this. So all you haters out there, just know that we'll be making money off stupid cars like this that no one would probably buy besides us. So we're back in the car now. As you can see, we bought the truck. Everything is loaded up. This is about 25% of the truck that is in the back of the minivan. So our buddy is taking it on the trailer and he is on his way to our house. We have to stop by the bank and get another 500 bones, and then we will be paying him the remainder of the cash. Then we'll get to work.
So when we went to go look at the car, we thought, I brought my tools actually, and I was like, we're gonna throw the headlights on, we're gonna drive it home. We get there, there's no windshield. So we actually thought we were going to drive this truck home And now we're getting it towed, but we're getting a free tow. We're probably gonna have to tip him for that, or just give him some Cheerios or something, or let him look at our hatchet, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, we bought a truck and we're super excited about it. We're gonna be rebuilding it. All right, so we said we were gonna do it, and we did. We went out and bought a completely wrecked truck. We did get a bunch of parts with the deal, but we spent a lot of money on this, and this is by far the biggest risk that we have ever taken. So we're gonna have a lot of fun rebuilding it. We've never done the amount of work that we're gonna be doing, so it's gonna be a big challenge for us, but we're up for the challenge big time. So what we bought was a 2014 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport, or TRD Off-Road, sorry. Is a 2014 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Apparently it was bought 4 months ago for $30,000. We bought it for $14,000. It obviously was wrecked. It hit a tree. It doesn't look too bad from the front. We did, well, the front bumper was a little bit mangled and the headlights got cracked, but nothing was too bad. But when you come around to this side, you see where the real damage was. So you can see right now, there's pretty much no body panels. They are mostly here. We have the wrecked ones and good ones, but no body panels. The bedside has also been damaged. The A-pillar was damaged. So the guy that bought this truck from insurance, he knew how to do body work. He had done it for 30 years apparently. And so he kind of helped us out with that. He kind of showed us what we need to do. And so we're going to be fixing this. We're going to be installing the doors. We need to paint this fender. So all we got to do is put it together like a puzzle. And you guys know how we like puzzles. We also like metal detecting.
So we have 36 hours to get this truck completely perfect. So I'm moving to Arizona in 3 days, 36 hours. We have homework and we have truck work. We'll be doing mostly truck work. So you guys need to stick around to see the next couple episodes of TLJ Garage, because we will be going to work on this truck, doing lots of cool things and making it a good daily driver and take it to Arizona.